Hi, my name is René and I'm the CEO of Epic Armoury. We're about to unbox the Milanese Sword and I'm very excited because this is the first time I'm actually going to see the sword in the original packaging. We wanted to make a sword that was durable, like the Stronghold Master Collection, very safe to use. And the special thing with this Milanese Sword is actually that it is a balanced sword with a lot of weight in the handle, so it's super quick and fast. And of course, the Milanese Sword has the oval core known from the Stronghold Master Collection. So now I'm gonna open the box. And this is the first time I'm actually gonna see it live. It's been a while since we developed it and until the time they arrive. So this is the short version. We wanna make sure these boxes are made in a tough material, so we make sure that the sword is intact when it comes to the end user. Again, what a balance. So with this sword you have a very wide crossguard that will protect your hands when you're fighting. It also leaves space for putting out a finger on the other side of the crossguard for extra control and balance. And with this huge pommel here, you have like a historical inspired sword, but still with that allows us to put a lot of balance in the back, so the sword becomes super quick, super fast and easy to wield. So this is a maintenance-free sword, but if you want to make sure that the paint sticks on for a longer time and take real good care of it, you could apply protection gel, because that will lower the friction once you're fighting with it and using it against your enemies. It's a well-tested blade. The foam is the Epic foam. It's done in an injection mold. When we do these molds, it's a very special process where we produce more than 10,000 blades at a time. During the testing of this sword, some of the guys here, they said that this was probably one of the best swords that we've ever made. For me, I agree with them. This is the sword I'm gonna go for when I go for my next live. So if you want a super fast, cool and durable safe sword, now is the time to get yours because they're online at epicarmoury.com and selected resellers.